Hi, in this video I show you how to turn Raspberry Pi into VPN server. First, install an operating system for Raspberry Pi. Note, create a text file named SSH to enable SSH for Raspberry Pi. Next, insert the SD card for the Raspberry Pi and connect it to your network. After booting Pi, perform the installation of VPN. Setting static IP address for Raspberry Pi. Next, open port 1194 on the router. To be able to connect to the VPN server from outside of your network, you will need to do port forwarding to the IP and port that you have configured during the installation process. Next, set up dynamic DNS on the router. Enter your domain name correctly. Creating the OVPN file. The add function will ask you for a client name and password. The client name can be whatever you want, just make sure that you remember the password that you have used. The OVPN file is generated, and PyVPN is showing you the location where you can find it. Your client will need it to connect to the Raspberry Pi VPN. Open the OpenVPN client to import the configuration. Once the configuration is imported, hit connect to open a connection to the VPN server. After typing the password, you should be connected to your very own Raspberry Pi VPN server. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.